Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. Here I am showing you, before we get started with the video, how the hair looked after it's been bleached, plucked, and also styled off camera. The unit does come pre-plucked, but I did customize it some more, and I probably took off about a handful of hair from the frontal, but like I said, it looked really good when it came out the package. So you don't have to do a lot to this unit, and that's what I appreciated about it the most. I'm just going to be doing a traditional install, nothing major. I'm not going to do a ball cap method. I'm kind of lazy these days, so I'm just going to just have my cap, and then I'm going to, make sure that the lace is blended so that you can't see the cap underneath, and that's pretty much it. I did add a little bit of baby hairs. This unit is very easy to manipulate and style, so if you are a beginner, that is great to know. This hair is 14 inches. It is 150% density, and this unit is from an Amazon vendor, so I'll be linking all of that information down below. So please don't forget to visit my description box and click on that information if you are interested in this hair. This hair did not shed a lot, also was very easy to comb, and I did cut it just probably like less than an inch, just to make the ends look very seamless and all together. There's no combs on the sides, just only in the nape area. If you're looking for it to be more secure, you can add a strap to it, but it does fit very secure without that. So if you were to look close at the lace, you can see it's very light, and that's what made it very easy to get it to blend with my skin and look very realistic. I'm going to be showing you guys later on in the video how good this hair looks in the sunlight with natural lighting and no filter, because truthfully you do not need a filter with this hair. I just felt kind of crazy, so I did put a filter on, but this hair is beautiful, you guys. And if you were to get this wig, like, you would love it. I'm not kidding, you would really like this hair. Okay, so here we are putting some baby hairs on this unit. I didn't get to record all of this part because my camera, in fact, was not recording me and I was so irritated. But anyways, you guys, this unit came out amazing. I'm going to be showing you guys in the next clip how it looked in natural lighting. I was at my sister's house, so I tried to get you guys the best lighting I could. So I am filming in her kitchen, and here I am showing you guys how good it looks with no filter. You guys, it blended in with my skin so well that my mom and grandma was tripping out. But yes, that's the end, you guys. I wish you guys the best holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. I will be back with more content. Thank you guys so much.